Hi there, I am Alex Cunningham, and I will walk you through this Squarespace tutorial step by step.
Are you ready to bring your restaurant's online presence to life? In this tutorial, I'll walk you step by step through building a stunning restaurant website using Squarespace 7.1. By the end, you'll have a beautifully designed, professional-looking site that helps attract new customers and shows off your delicious menu. Let's jump right in and demystify the process together. So, to start, you'll want to head over to your Squarespace dashboard. Think of the dashboard as your control panel. It's where you'll manage all the details of your website. If you haven't logged in yet, take a moment to do so. Sometimes, finding your way when first logging in can feel a little overwhelming because there are lots of options, but don't worry, we're focusing just on the basics to get your restaurant online. Once you're in your dashboard, look for the option to Create Website. It's usually right at the top or front and center, because Squarespace wants to guide you into building your site quickly. Go ahead and click that button. This step is like unlocking a door to all the design possibilities available. Next, you'll see a prompt asking about the purpose of your site. For a restaurant website, you'll want to select Marketing. Now, why choose Marketing? Well, restaurant websites are more than just a digital menu. They're your way to attract and engage your customers, promote events, or even build a mailing list for future updates. Picking Marketing helps Squarespace set you up with the right tools and structure to promote your business. Click Next to continue. Don't worry if you're not 100% sure about every choice here. Squarespace lets you tweak most settings later as you figure out what works best for your restaurant's needs. Now, you'll want to select Sell Products. It might sound a bit off for a restaurant, but trust me, this setting comes in handy, especially if you plan on selling gift cards, merch, or even offering online orders down the road. Even if you're just focusing on your menu now, setting your site up this way gives you room to grow as your business expands. Here comes a fun part. You get to choose a template. Templates are like the bones of your website layout, giving you a solid structure with design elements that fit different vibes. Squarespace has several restaurant-friendly templates. Look for one that matches your style and the atmosphere you want online guests to feel. Don't spend too long stressing about the perfect choice. You can always switch templates or tweak colors and fonts later. Pick one that feels close to your brand, perhaps something bright and inviting if you run a cafe, or sleek and elegant for a fine dining spot. Once you've chosen your template, hit the Start Editing button. Now you're inside the actual editor, where you can customize your site. This is your chance to make the website truly yours. So start by adding your food images. High-quality photos tell the story of your restaurant better than words ever could. Think about how tempting a shot of your signature dish can be. Drag and drop or upload images to spotlight your best plates. If you don't have professional photos yet, that's okay. Use a smartphone and some good lighting. Or consider using stock images until you're ready for a shoot. Take your time here and feel free to play around. And you can add your logo, change headings, write enticing descriptions of your offerings, and arrange your content until it feels just right. If something feels confusing, don't worry. Squarespace makes it easy to undo or adjust your changes. And it's really that simple. With these foundation steps, you've got your restaurant's new website up and running, ready for guests to discover you online. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit that like button. It really supports the channel. Drop a comment below with any questions you have about Squarespace or restaurant websites, and I'll be happy to help. And don't forget to subscribe if you want more easy-to-follow guides like this one. Happy building, and good luck with your launch.